What is up everyone watching TNWS channel, and in this video we are going to fix USB connected disconnected problem in your Samsung Galaxy A03 or A03 core. So before I start video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new in this channel. So if you are facing USB connected disconnected problem on Galaxy A03 or A03 core, simply first of all just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to fix this problem. Hope so this will fix your problem.